So this is my weekly grocery haul. This is from Safeway. I got some fresh bananas and some fresh grapes for the week. I also got a bag of fresh lettuce shreds. Hopefully this will add to dinners, to make dinners just a little extra. I found these. They are vegan breakfast sandwiches. It is chorizo and egg. My daughter's going to be trying these for breakfasts. I got a couple of those. I also got her these non-dairy bean and rice burritos for lunches for school. I'm excited about those too. She said she's been wanting breakfast sandwiches and burritos, so this makes sure that I have a little bit of extra time before I actually have to start making those. These are just for me, quick lunches. If I don't have something to eat, I usually don't eat, and those kind of make sure I usually eat something. Ooh. These are new Uncrustables. My kids can't have the peanut butter ones, but my son can try these pizza ones because they're just a milk product. They do not have eggs. Speaking of eggs, these are fake eggs. They're already pre-cooked and folded to put on breakfast sandwiches, so he should be able to have breakfast sandwiches too. Farm Rich French toast sticks. These are dairy and egg free. I'm not sure if they're completely dairy free. I'll let you know after my daughter eats them, but they've been also asking for French toast sticks. I'm trying to recreate their school lunch menu, but allergy friendly for them. I also got a little less than a pound of roast beef and 2 packs of the sharp cheddar cheese slices. I got one of these vegan cupcakes just in case a birthday pops up in the classroom. I can send this so that my children can participate. I got a bag of seasoned curly fries. We'll have fries sometime this week with dinner. The same with ranch. Usually goes with the fries, or if we decide to have some kind of a salad. I accidentally left the coffee creamer out for a very long time last week, just being overly tired, so I need a new coffee creamer. And then I got some giant hamburger buns and a loaf of bread. So this was about 80 bucks, and it's mostly lunch stuff, I know, but I'm going to kind of squeeze my budget this week and do a lot more pantry cooking and things that are already in the fridge and the freezer, so that I can allow for the extra like the extra stuff I don't usually buy for the kids. So it'll help stretch their lunches since they're eating mostly at school now, and I think I did pretty good. So these are the new lunch boxes I got for the kids. This one is the Bentgo Fresh. It's pretty much the adult size lunchbox, and I got this one because it looks like it has like the sandwich size and then sides, which is what I wanted to get for my daughter. Is I want her to be able to fit a sandwich in here. And then it also has like this little divider that splits the thing up. I decided to go with the Bentgo. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I've had like this one, like the little standard size Bentgo for the kids. I originally bought this for my daughter, and I've had this for several years. She basically just like outgrew the serving sizes. So, and then my son's favorite color is purple, so he just uses this now, and it's perfect. But I wanted to get him, this one is the like the chill lunchbox. This goes inside of here and keeps stuff cold. And both of, like, I bought 2 of these, and then the other one is actually like, this one's at school and this one's at school with my daughter. This is the second one that I haven't opened yet, but I do have the ice box. I haven't used the like ice box yet, but it's like curved like a bowl, and it sits inside like underneath the tray. So, but yeah, I've had this one for quite a few years. They have a 2-year warranty. I've had this one for way longer than 2 years, and I'm just, yeah, like I said, I'm lucky that my son likes purple. These were the only ones that were left in stock because I got these on sale. I did a buy one, get one 40% off, but I actually bought these in a bundle. So 2 of these was one item. So I bought 2 of each of these, like one bundle each, and it was 80 bucks, I think. The shipping took forever. So if you need these right away, I think they have an option to pay $6 to like upgrade the shipping. I don't know if that would even be good as well, because it seemed, the longest part of it seemed to be like the processing time, like the amount of time it took them to actually get my order into the mail. So if you do need these, order them like way sooner than you think you're going to need them. And then I would also say that I think these are sold out. Oh, here it shows you. The tray goes inside, and then the food tray goes in, and then all of the food trays can come out and are microwavable. And then this is like smaller portions than the one I got for my daughter. It's 1.5 cups, a cup, a half a cup, and a half a cup. So these are the new lunch boxes. So pretty excited. I think they're regularly about 25 or 30 if you buy these at like Target or something. But when I ordered them online through the sale, I got them for I think about 18 to 20 a piece. So pretty happy. This is what the lunchbox looks like when it's filled with food. This is just some pizza, some fruit, popcorn, and some cookies and M&Ms. And this is without the cool tray. And then this is the larger size. I have the divider in here, so I'm able to fit one of her dairy-free burritos and some Spanish rice in, plus the fruit and the popcorn on this side. This is a really good size, and I'm really happy with both of these. And it even has a little bit of extra room to fit some silverware if you need it. So there are a couple downsides to these Bentgo boxes. The liners that make the leak-proof seal, they are prone to staining. This is from mac and cheese, but they'll also stain from tomato and things like that. And then this part is hand wash only. Like, you can put it in the dishwasher, but it's not recommended if you are, like, if the leak-proof seal is something that's very important to you. But the trays are washable, like in the dishwasher, and then you can order online. They have like little covers that go over them, and these are the ones that can be microwaved too. So, but if you don't want to have to hand wash a lunchbox, if you're looking to just throw it into the dishwasher every day and not really worry about it, you probably don't want to get these, because like this seal is temperamental. Although I have seen some people cover it with like the press and seal stuff and get better results with staining and I think with the seal, but it just seems really like an unnecessary waste to me. I don't really care if it stains. Like, it's a lunchbox, it has food in it. It's not supposed to be clean. It's just supposed to be functional. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe